Trigonometry. Angle in standard position. Determine the quadrant in which the terminal ray of the following angles with standard position lies. So we're given 4 different angles here, and let me draw a coordinate plane. And then you need to figure out in which quadrant each angle will be, right? So when we say angle found with standard position, that means initial arm is along x-axis, right? And positive angle is moving clockwise, negative is moving counterclockwise. Okay, so when we say standard position, initial arm is along the x-axis, right? Positive angles are counterclockwise and negative are clockwise. So let's go to 315 degrees. 315. So that is 90, 180, 270, and total is 360. So 315 is slightly more than 270, right? 30 plus 15, 45 more. So this angle should be right there in the center, right? So that is the angle. And since it is positive, we'll go counterclockwise, and we said this angle for us is 315 degrees, correct? That is how we can do the first one. Now let's do the next one, which is 215 degrees. Now 215 is between 180 and 270. So it should lie in quadrant 3, right? 250. 180 plus 20 is 200, and then 15, 35. So it's kind of like this, right? So that is your terminal arm. So this arm is the terminal arm, that's the initial arm, and the angle 215 will be like this, right? So this angle is 215 degrees. So we can write this angle as 215 degrees, right? So that is this angle, okay, shown in pink. Now minus 300 degrees. Minus 300 degrees means that you have to move clockwise. So clockwise 270, this is 360, 60 less than 360. So it will be kind of here, right? So that's this angle. Clockwise gives you minus. So that is minus 300 degrees for you, right? At the end, we'll write down each quadrant. 460 degrees. When we say 460 degrees, and that to positive, that means counterclockwise, one full circle is 360. So you could write this as 360 degrees plus 100 degrees, right? One full circle is 360, then 100 more. So it is kind of like this. One full circle and 100 more. Slightly more than 90, so it should be here, right? So that angle is 460 degrees, correct? Now let's start writing down our quadrants. So the first one, 315, lies in quadrant 4, correct? So it's quadrant 4 for the first one. The second one is 215 degrees, lies in quadrant 3, right? So it's quadrant 3 for the second one. For the third one, minus 300 degrees is in quadrant 1, right? Minus means going clockwise. So it's quadrant 1. That's quadrant 1 for us. And the last one, 460 degrees, is in quadrant 2. Quadrant 2 here. So that is how you get quadrant of the terminal ray for a given angle. I hope that makes things absolutely clear. Thank you.